Read 10th question.
Sir, your voice is cutting in between.
Okay, is it so? Okay, let me reconnect it. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me reconnect it.
Clear.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
first
now
is
clear.
okay then. If any trouble happens, do let me know. Okay, I'll reconnect it. Okay, so 10th question. If 500 kg of food lasts for last 40 days. Okay, let me reconnect them. Okay, is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Good
read 10th
morning.
question. Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good morning to all. Read 10th question. If 500 kg of food lasts 40 days for 30 men. Okay, 500 kg food we have. So here this side will be having the food, days, and men. Okay, so 500 kg. Okay, I write this red and 500 kg of food last for 30 days. 30 days or 40? 30 days. 40
Sir,
days
40
for
days.
30 days.
40 days for
30 men.
30 men.
30 men. Okay, this is there. So we are having 500 kg of food. It is lasting for 40 days. For 30 men. When 30 men are there, 500 kg of food lasts for 40 days. Okay. Now see here. 500 kg of food lasts for 1 day. For how many numbers of men? If 500 kg, see here, earlier it was lasting for 40 days for 30 men. Now 1 day it will last. It means number of men have increased, then only it will last for 1 day. It means we have to multiply or divide.
Multiply.
Multiply because we need large number. Because man has increased. Number of days have increased, the same food will last for more number of men. Okay. It is lasting for just for 1 day. It means more men have joined. How many? 40 times. 40 times the men have joined. Okay. So it will last for these many days. Okay. Now, if we are having only 1 kg of food, now it will last. How many men can eat now? Only 1 kg. It means less number of men can eat. Only 1 kg of food. So less number of men can eat. So we'll multiply or divide.
Divide.
This time we'll divide. This time only this many number of men can eat. Only 1 kg of food we are having, less food, less men will be there. Okay. Now what we are having? Read the next line. How many men will consume 675 kg of food in 45 days? Now we are having 675 kg of food. Okay. So 675 kg of food. Food has increased. So number of men as well will increase 1 day. So how many men can eat now? More number of men can eat because we are having food 675 of kg. This many number of men can eat 675 kg of food lasting for just 1 day. These many number of men can eat. Understood this one? So more food, more number of men can be. More food, more number of men will be there. Okay. Now this food has to last for 40 days, 45 days. If it is lasting for 1 day, this many men. Now the same food has to last for 45 days. It means number of men must decrease because the same amount of food must last for 45 days. Therefore, number of men must decrease. Therefore, by 45 you multiply or divide.
Divide.
This time we divide because it has to last for 45 days. It has to last for 45 days. Therefore, less number of men must be there. So we will divide.
Sir, page number.
Page number AP7. Each day you ask. Into 7. Okay. 500 into 45. Now solve this one.
Sir, 36.
36. Oh. 36 men. Okay,
36.
you'll be getting 36 men. You will get it. Okay. Now see one thing. Days have increased slight bit. By 5 days, it has increased. Food has increased, see here, by little bit more amount. So man has increased by 36. Days increased by 5 days. Food has increased a little bit more amount. Okay. And man and man will increase. Understood now? Okay, we can see it again. So see here, we are having 500 kg initially. We are having 500 kg of food. This is a limited food supply. It lasts for 40 days when 30 men are there. And 30 men are there.
Question number?
Question number. It is 10. 10th question. So 500 kg of food is lasting for 45 days when 30 men are there. Okay. Now the same amount of food, if it lasts for just 1 day, it is finished in 1 day. It means more men have joined. So less days. If days are less, men will be more men. More men, therefore we have to multiply by 40. Understood this one? Because same food has to last for 1 day. It is finished in just 1 day. It means more men have joined. And how many? We multiply with 40. So less days, more men. Less days are there, more men. That means it is finished in just 1 day. So more men have joined, therefore we have to multiply. Okay. Now see here, food has decreased to 1 kg. Now only we are having 1 kg instead of 5 kg, 500 kg. It means number of men must decrease because we are having only 1 kg of food for 1 day. So less number of, so it will fill the stomach of only by less men. That is, we divide by 500. We divide by 500. Less food, less men. They are directly proportional. Less food, less men. Okay. Now food is increased 675 times. It means men will also increase 675 times. Food has increased by 675 times. Therefore, men will also increase by 675. More food, more men. Okay. More food, more men. Now what you see, days and men, they are inversely proportional. When we are comparing days and men, they are inversely proportional. But food and men, they are directly proportional. Days and men, they are inversely proportional. Food and men, they are directly proportional. Okay. Now, this same food has to last for 45 days. Earlier, it was lasting for just 1 day. Now it has to last for more days, that is 45 days. It means man has to decrease, less men should be there so that that food can last for 45 days. Therefore, we will divide. We will divide by 45, less. So more days food has to last. It means less men must be there, less men. So less men we can only get when we divide by 45. And we are getting 36 men. Understood now? Any doubt in this question asked now? Okay, these are the reasons. Reasons you understood. Why we are divided, why we are multiplied. Because days and men, they are inversely proportional. Food and men, they are directly proportional. If food decreases, man must decrease. If days decreases, man will increase. Okay. This is clear. Okay, read the next. Any doubt in this question? Okay, read this the next question. Then 11th question. Read 11th question. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Read 11th question. Okay. 11th question. We are having 25 men. 25 men working 8 hours a day do a job in 63 days. 25 men working 8 hours a day. They are working 8 hours a day and completes a job in 63 days. So we are having one job. Some job is there. If 25 men are working for 8 hours a day, they complete the job in 63 days. Okay. Now, how long 45 men will take to finish the job working 7 hours a day? Okay. So we'll be doing how? Here we'll be writing number of men. Here, number of hours. And here, number of days to complete the work. Okay. These three will be writing. So first is number of. So 25 men. Working for 8 hours. 8 hours. Complete the work in 63 days. Complete work. 63 days. Okay. So 25 men working 8 hours, complete the work in 63 days. Now see here, men we have to change to 45 men. As well hours we have to change to 7 hours. Okay. So what we'll do first, if 25 men are working 8 hours a day, they complete in 63 days. Okay. Which we should make
So
first
what
one.
do you return after complete?
Complete work. Okay. Complete work in 63 days. Okay. So either we can make first hours as one or 25 men as one. Okay. So first I'm making hours. Okay. So still 25 men are there working for 1 hour. Okay. Complete work here actually you are. Okay. So now 25 men are working for 1 hour. They will complete in how many days? You have to multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply. Okay, see here why we are multiplying. See here. Earlier 25 men were working 8 hours a day. More amount of time they were working, they were able to complete in 63 days. Now 25 men, they are working only 1 hour a day. They are working 1 hour a day. Only 1 hour. That means it is going to take more number of days. It is going to take more number of days. So 63 into 8. So they are inversely proportional. You got it? Because each day they are working less hours. It means they will take more days to complete. They will take more days to complete. So they will take 63 into 8 days. This many days they will take. Okay. So earlier 25 men, they were working 8 hours to complete 63 days. Now they are working only 1 hour a day. Only 1 hour a day. It means they will take more number of days, 63 into 8 days. Okay. This is clear. Now only one man is working. Only one man is working 1 hour a day to complete the work. So now only one man is working. Now this time how many days it will take? Multiply or divide? Earlier 25 men were working, so they took 6 days. Now only one man is working. So it will take more number of days. So into 25. Understood this one? Only one man is working now, 1 hour a day. It will take these many days. It will take these many days. Understood this? Now I'm increasing man. Okay. Now how many men? 45 men. Man has increased, more men joined. So in less number of days they will complete. And working 1 hour a day. Now 45 men are working. This time 45 men are working. Now they will take less number of days because man has increased. More man, number of days decreases to complete the work. So 63 into 8 into 25 divided by 45. Understood this one? Because less number of men, man has increased from 1 to 45. Therefore, days will decrease by 45. Number of days required to complete the work decreases by 45. Okay. Now they have increased the working hours as well. Earlier they were working only 1 hour. Now they will be working 7 hours. Okay. Now they have increased the hours a day. They are working for 7 hours a day. It means it will, number of days as well will decrease because each day they are working for more number of hours. More work will be completed each day. It means less number of days they will complete the work. We will again divide. Okay, calculate this one. It is divisible.
Sir, 40 days.
40 days.
40 days. Okay, now you can see as well. See here. Hours is decreased by just 1 hour, but man has increased tremendously. That is, they have increased from 25 to 45. So less days they are taking to complete the work. Work is same amount of work. Okay. Man increases, number of days to complete the work decreases. More the number of men, less the number of days to complete the work. Hours increases. If hours increases, number of days will decrease because each day they are working for more number of hours. More hours they are working, they will complete the work fast in less number of days. Okay. So number of hours and days, they are inversely proportional. More number of hours a day person works, less number of days to complete the work. If number of men increases, less number of days to complete the work. Understood this question? Any doubt in this question? Any doubt? No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, read 12th question now and try to understand what the question is asking. Read that. And try to do that question. Okay, 12th question. 19 men working 7.5 hours a day can finish a job in 21 days. How many hours a day must 45 men work to complete it in 7 days? So this time, how many hours a day that we have to calculate? So 19 men working for 7.5 hours a day can finish a job in 21 days. How many hours a day must 45 men work to complete it in 7 days? Okay, so 19 men. Okay, this time see here. If we go by the same way as we have done in 11th question, okay, that is man here, hours here, and days here. If we go by that, then we'll take here at last x hours, and we will get the days in terms of x, and then equate with the number of days, that is 7 days, and you can calculate x. That is one way. Okay, or we can shuffle them, like days we can take here, hours we take here. Days we should, I think it will confuse. Days we take this side only. Okay, this time let's man we take here. Number of men, days, hours. Okay, so 19 men. Finishes work. Finish work in 21 days. If working for 7.5 hours. Working for 7.5 hours. Okay. Okay, 19 men finishes work in 21 days if working for 7.5 hours. Okay, no, that is, it will confuse. We'll go with the first method only. Okay. Okay, number of men here, hours here, and days here. Okay, because these are proportional with this, these are proportional, inversely proportional to this. Okay, so we'll always go with this one. Okay, so 19 men, 19 men working for 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours. Complete work in 21 days. I return with 21 days. Okay. When 19 men are working for 7.5 hours, they are completing the work in 21 days. Okay. Now, how many hours a day they must work? 45 men work to complete. So see here, men are changing, number of days are changing, and hours we have to calculate. Hours, how many hours they will take, we have to calculate. If they are working for how many hours a day, so that 45 men completes the work in 7 days. Okay. So next step, we can write if 19 men working for 1 hour complete the work in how many days? If 19 men are working for just 1 hour a day, each day they are working just 1 hour. So they will complete in more number of days. They will require more number of days to complete the same work. This means you have to multiply. So 21 into 19. These many days they will take. 21 into 7.5. 7.5 we can write 15 upon 2. So into 15 upon 2. Okay. So 19 men working for 1 hour a day. They complete the work in 21 into 15 by 2. Number of days increases. It becomes 7.5 times 21. Number of days has increased. Okay. Now 1 man is only working. Only 1 man is working. That means number of men has decreased. So number of days to complete the work will increase. That means again we have to multiply by and working 1 hour. Again we have to multiply 21 into 15 by 2 into 19. Now they will take these many days. Number of men has decreased. As number of men has decreased, they will require one man will require more number of days to complete the work. Man decreased, less men, more number of days to complete the work. So we have to multiply. Okay. Now man has increased. They have increased to 45. Now 45 men are working for 1 hour. Now how many days they will require? Since man has increased, number of days to complete the work decreases. So we have to divide 15 by 2 into 19 and okay. Here 45 into 2. Understood this one? So 45 men, number of men have increased. More men, less number of days to complete the work. Work is same amount of work, but as men have increased, number of days to complete the work will decrease. So more men, less days. So we'll divide by 45. Understood this one? Now, for how many hours they have to work so that they can complete the work in 7 days. Okay. So let the number of hours these men work be X. Okay. Let the number of hours these 45 men work be X. That is X hours a day they are working. Okay. X hours a day they are working. So number of days required to complete will be how much? More hours they are working. X hours they are working. It means we have to divide by X. We have to divide by X. X. Okay. And in question it is given 45 men working for how many hours? Let it be X hours. If they are working for X hours, they complete the work in how many days? 7 days. They complete the work in how many days? 7 days. So therefore, this will be equal to 7 days. Okay. Now we can solve for X. So X decide. So X will be how much? Number of hours. 21 into 15 into 19 divided by 45 into 2 into 7. Understood this one? Understood this one? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is equal to, because these 45 men working for X hours, they are completing the work in 7 days. Now we can calculate for how many hours they are working. So X equal to this much and okay. Calculate the hours, it will come in half, in terms of half. Okay, 9 1 by 2 it is. Okay. 19 upon 2 hours a day. Understood this one? See here, earlier they were 19 men were completing 21 days. Now they have to complete in just 7 days. Just 7 days they have to complete. So 1/3 of the number of days they must take. Men have increased, hours have as well increased here slightly. So any doubt in this question? Okay, so how we did?
No, sir.
19 men working for 7.5 hours. They complete 25 days. They take 21 days. Okay. Now hours we have decreased. Less hours, more days to complete the work. So multiply. Less men, more number of days to complete the work. So multiply. Now more men, less days to complete the work. Therefore, divide by 45. Now more hours, less days to complete the work. More hours working each day, less days to complete the work, divided by X. And it is given that these number of days are 7 days. They took 7 days. So equate with 7 and solve for X. Okay. This is the best way we can do. Number of men, hours, days. If we put days here and hours here, it will confuse a bit. Okay. This is clear now. So always if you
Yes,
cross it this way, for example, now here, if man we have to find, hours is given, man we have to find. We can again take man as x and we can solve that. Then we can equate the with the number of man took, okay, number of days took, and we can calculate x. Okay.
Sir, can you please show it by solving?
Okay. Okay. See here. For example, here instead of x, 19 1/2 hours is given. Okay. And instead of 45, they are asking how many men working 19/2 hours 8 day complete the work in 7 days. Okay. So this time we won't have this step. Okay. And here, so what we do here? Okay, one man working, this we have got 21 into 15 upon 2 into 19. Okay. Now, one man working for 19 upon 2 hours. One man is working 19 upon 2 hours each day. So less number of days it will take because more hours a man is working, less number of days. So it will be how much? 15 upon 2 into 19, and we have to divide or multiply by 19 upon 2. See here, more hours each day they are working, a man is working. It means number of days taken will decrease or increase. Number of days will be less, so we divide 19 here and multiply here. So they are cancelling here. Okay, we can cancel. Okay, 21 into 15. Okay, now X man. Okay, we have to find the X man working for 19 upon 2 hours a day. How many days they will take? Into 50. Man have increased to X. That means number of days will decrease this one. And this is given equal to 7. This is given X equal to number of days they took equal to 7. Now X is coming out to 45 again. 3 into 15, 7. Okay. Understood this one?
Sir, I am getting 19 upon 2x.
How 19 upon 2? See here 4, okay. 19 men working for 1 hour, this much. 1 man working for 1 hour, multiply with 19. Okay. Now, 1 man is working for 19/2 hours. So we have to divide by this because number of days will decrease. So 19 is getting cancelled, 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. We are only 21 into 15 is remaining. Okay. Now, man have increased to x, therefore days will decrease upon x, and it is given 7 days. So x we can calculate. X this
No,
side,
sir,
7 this
downside
side.
you have written x is equals to 21 into 15 into. Yes, sir, this one I am
See
getting.
here, this is for when number of hours we have calculated. Okay. What we have done here is not in question. Okay, this was okay. In this question, we have to calculate number of hours they took. Okay. I am calculating. I'm just framed one more question that if men are not given, but hours are given, then we'll be solving this way. Okay. Okay, this is the answer
Sir?
for number of hours working for each day. Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, below you have written no x is equals to 21 into 15 into 19. Sir, that one. Sir, its
Yes.
answer I am getting 19 upon 2x.
Yes. Yes. It will be 19 upon 2. 19 upon 2 hours. Okay. 9 1/2 hours. In mixed fraction, it will be 9 1/2 hours. Okay, that's correct. Okay, do 13th one. 1 minute we have, we can complete this one. Read this. This is very easy question. 13th. Read it. Read 13th question. 3 men or 4 women can earn 180 rupees a day. 3 men or 4 women can earn 180 rupees a day. How much will 8 men and 12 women earn in a day? So see here the question is written in first, it is or. 3 men or 3 women. So 3 men earns how many rupees? Rupees 180. So 1 man will earn how many? 3 men earn. 1 man will earn how many each day? 180 divided by 3, rupees 60. Okay, and 4 women earn how many rupees? Rupees 180 a day. In a day, 4 women are earning rupees 180. 1 woman will earn rupees 180 divided by 4. It will be how much?
45.
45. 45 rupees. Okay. See here, your book is little bit discriminatory. Why this book is showing that woman is earning less than men? This is discrimination. Okay, just 1 minute I will take. This is clear. So 3 men earning 60 rupees a day. 1 man earning rupees 60 a day. 1 woman earning 45 rupees a day. We got each day earning 60 rupees a day, 45 rupees a day. 1 man earns in a day, you can do 1 woman earns in a day this much rupees. Okay. Now we have to calculate how much 8 men and 12 women. Here it is end. So we have to add them. So 8 men will earn. Okay. 8 men will earn how many? 60 into 8. And women, 12 women is there. 12 women will earn how many? 45 into 12. And then add them. You'll get the answer. Okay. That will be the total earning a day.
Okay, sir. Sir, time over.
Okay then.
Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
complete this
sir.
exercise. Okay. And next exercise we will start time and work. Next exercise. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
If
sir.
you have any problem, anything you have to ask, you can text me on WhatsApp. Okay. I'll reply you there. Please don't call. Okay. You can text me on WhatsApp anything you want to ask or anything. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.